Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Android version and that your launcher supports widgets. This prevents surprises later. Once done, clear a spot on the home screen by moving or removing icons so the widget fits. Next, long press an empty area on the home screen to reveal wallpaper, widgets, and home settings. Tap widgets to open the picker and scroll. You'll see sizes and previews. Make sure to choose the app whose widget you want before moving to placement. You pick the exact widget size and variant from the list because different sizes show more or less information. Then press and hold your chosen widget and drag it to the target home screen page. Release to drop it. If the widget supports resizing, long press it again and drag the edges to expand or shrink the display. Keep in mind spacing and adjacent icons. If it won't fit, move nearby icons or switch pages. Once placed, some widgets prompt configuration. You finish by configuring the widget. Grant any requested permissions, sign in, and set refresh intervals so data updates correctly. If the widget appears blank or stale, remove it and re-add it. Then clear the app cache from settings to force a refresh. If widgets stop working after an update, make sure the app and system are updated and reboot the device to reset background services. One quick troubleshooting tip. If nothing helps, switch temporarily to a stock launcher to isolate launcher-related issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.